Hey yogis, welcome. Today I'm going to take you through a meditation. Yes, and I called it meditation for beginners because I will be guiding you all the way to the end. So it's a short meditation and I just want you to get into the habit of practicing and to realize that it's not complicated, it's actually extremely easy to meditate and it doesn't take anything, you just need to be in a seated, comfortable position. So for me today, I've decided to use my meditation cushion and I'm sitting on the edge of it because by sitting on the edge, I can tilt my pelvis forward and therefore keep my spine straight naturally without any effort. I really insist on you finding a comfortable seated position. No muscle tension required. All I want you to do is to be seated comfortably and be able to keep a straight spine, eyes closed. So you could be doing this meditation in an armchair, seated in a chair, seated against the wall. It doesn't matter, as long as you're seated with your spine straight without using any muscle to keep yourself upright. So when you're seated, meet me on the mat. Hey yogis! So as I was just saying, it's important you find a comfortable seated position. Comfortable, I insist. And that you are warm, so make sure you're covered and you're not going to be shivering. You can play some nice music in the background, that helps. You can burn incense, if that also helps. Just remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's a very easy process and I will guide you through today to help you get there. So remember, whatever happens, just let it happen. We're not trying to control anything, on the contrary. If you have emotions coming up, let them come up. Anything happens, just let it happen. Just, again, let's start in our comfortable seated position. And you can close your eyes. And now I just want you to pay attention to the sounds around you. It could be the sounds in the room, it could be a clock, it could be the heating, it could be the cat walking past or dog. Just notice the sounds in your room. And now just notice the sounds inside you, inside your body. It could be your respiration, could be your heartbeat. You may even be able to hear the blood flowing through your arteries. Really pay attention. Now I'd like you to take a nice deep breath in through the nose, into the belly. And then breathe out through the mouth, big sigh of relief. And again, breathe in. One more time. Now breathing in through the nose, into the belly to a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2 breaths. 1, 2. And now breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in for 4 into the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 2. 1, 2. Breathe out through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in through the nose into the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in to the nose, into the belly. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2. Breathe out through the nose, bringing the belly closer to the spine. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really observe what is happening already in the body. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe what's going on in the mind. And again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I just want you to stop counting and just stay still and observe what is happening with you. What is happening physically, mentally? That moment of stillness inside you. Slowly start coming back. So it's coming back into your body. Just notice the way you seated, the way you supported by the wall, by the floor, the position of your legs, of your hands and your arms. Position of your head on top of your spine. Just come back into your body. Pay attention again to the sounds around you. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, you're going to gently open your eyes. Coming back into the room. I hope you enjoyed this meditation and you find it easy and enjoyable, and that it's going to make you want to practice a little bit more. You can use this video over and over to do this short meditation practice, and with time it'll become easier and easier. Please let me know your feedback and comments in the boxes below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for practicing this meditation with me, and I hope to see you again very soon. Namaste.